Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Tutorials. So in this video today we'll see how to calculate working days bypassing weekends in this video. Okay, so we want to display only working days and don't display weekends. Okay, so for example, I have here in August month I have dates. Okay, first is starting at Friday, then I have to skip 2, 3, which is Saturday and Sunday, and 4, 5, 6, 7 I have to display. After 8, 9, 10 I have to remove. All those things I have to do in a each month for billing. So my manager has given this Excel sheet and I have to fill all dates, working days only, uh, except weekend dates. Okay. So what I was doing is manually I was doing like for example I'll go to the calendar and August, right? So August 1st is on Friday. So here Friday I'll put 1, okay? Then 2, 3 is Saturday, Sunday holiday. Then I will go 4, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? 9, 10 holiday. So 11, okay? 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? 16, 17 is holiday, Saturday, Sunday, okay? Then I'll keep 18 here, 19, 20, okay, 21, 22, 23, 24 or weekends. So 25 here, 26, 27, 28, 29, right? Uh, so August 29. Okay, guys. So like this, I was doing manually earlier. So I thought, why don't I write a formula, Excel formula to automate it? So I worked on that. Okay. So we can write automatically all working days starting from first. Okay. For that we have to get the first date of the month. Okay. So for example, we are in September month. So how we'll get the first day of the month? That is 1st September 2025. So there is a formula for that, which is end of month in brackets today minus 1. Okay, so this one. Okay, let me write this separately. Okay, so end of month today minus 1 means it will go to the previous month. So today is the September. So minus 1 is the previous month August. So end of the month is 31st August, right? This is 31st August. So we want September 1st. So we'll add 1 to that. Okay. So like this, we'll add 1 to that. Then we'll get the 1st September. So we have to go to the first cell here. Okay. Then here same formula you copy here. So we have to get the first month here, right? Let me copy the formula. Go to the first cell here. Then here get the first date. Okay. So after getting the first date, we have to use a function called workday. Okay. Workday of first day, comma, how many days offset we want. So we want offset, first is 0 offset, that is the first day of the month, that is the September 1st. Then offset is 1 here, offset is 2 here, okay, offset 1 here, offset 2 here, like that we have to go. Okay, so for that we'll write a formula. Okay, let me remove one equal to extra equal to here. So we have to use the workday function here. Workday. So this is the start date, that is the September 1st, and offset. Offset has to increase one by one. First is 0, then second cell it is 1, third cell it is 2, like that it has to increase. For that we'll use a formula column. So column of, this cell, that is 235, A235, right? This is the first column, okay, minus 1, okay. So when I use this formula, so it will give me the work day, only working day. So it won't give me the weekends, it will give the only working day starting from today with offset of 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. So 0 offset means first day we'll get, second working day, third working day, like that we'll get, okay. And I want only day, not total date. I want only day. So I have to give day here. Okay. Then enter. So first is the Monday in the September. Let's check that. So September 1st is the Monday. Okay. So let's drag the formula till the end. So like this, we'll get all dates except weekends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the Friday. So 6, 7 is omitted. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13, 14 is evaded. Then again Monday it starts. So all working days it will return. Okay, guys. So earlier I was doing here manually for all months, above months also like that. But I thought of automation. So I thought of writing a formula and write this formula to get it automated and automatically filled for all days of September working days. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Excel videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.